order to show you how fast and easy it is to install this kind of tiles, we make a little bit of DIY. It's the first time also for me, so if I'm able to do, it means that everybody of you is able to do. We are here with all the tools that we need to make the installation. You need to provide yourself a mixer, which is necessary in order to mix together the water and the adhesive in a proportion of 1:3, and a hammer in order to better make flat the tile and to throw the air from the back of the tile. The grout, which is in between tile to tile. The tools in order to take the adhesive from the basket and to lay properly on the wall or on the floor, as well as a level, scissors, and this one here is a new way of making the spacing in between the tiles, not anymore with the old cross plastic spacers, but with the new way, which is also allowing to level perfectly the tiles on a perfect level. And of course, you need BOBO tiles. BOBO is allowing you to install such a big tile by yourself. You don't need any help. The tile is very light, so you can install wall as well as floor in a very easy way by yourself. I always suggest to have a clear mind where to put the tile and how to install the tile since the beginning in order to have a general idea of the space that you have available. So it's just enough that you track with a pencil more or less where you want to have the tile, which is also helping you later to better install the adhesive. As I was saying, first we prepare the adhesive. 1 part of water, 3 parts of adhesive powder, as we said before, and then you need to mix until you get a homogeneous composition of the adhesive. Until you get a homogeneous composition of the adhesive. So we take our adhesive and we install on the wall. The very important thing you must always remember is that you cannot do the installation in this way. You must choose a direction. It can be horizontal, vertical or diagonal, but must be always the same, because we must allow the air to get out when you install the tile. So if you have the air going in this direction, then it's going to be stuck and it's going to make the bubble in the back, and then you have the risk with the time of breakage of the tile. So we do it this way, always the same direction. You select this, it's going to be this. You select another one, but must always be the same. Always. Now we are able to install our first amazing new BOBO tile. This we do because we want to throw the air out from the back of the tile, as I was saying before. Perfectly level. It is very easy system. You just need to take this capsule and this spacer, which is going to be inserted in this way. We already put 3 of them on the tile at some distance, supposed to be something around 30 centimeter distance one from each other, and you just put in the back of the tile in this way. It's giving the difference of 2 millimeters, the 2 millimeter gap in between one tile and the other, and as I will show you later, is going to level perfectly the tile. And now we install our second tile. As you can see, these 2 tiles are still not properly level. The system is very simple, it works in this way. You just press 1, 2, the difference is evident, and now it's perfect level. And now we start with the floor. Floor it's even much less tiling. And now, as usual, same direction. And now we install our tile. Try to match it exactly with the corner. The tile is level. And then our second floor tile. This tile is 8 kilo and it's 1.2 by 600. If it was a normal tile, it was at least 16 kilo. Impossible to handle by somebody by himself. And now the level system. When the adhesive is drying on the tile, we clean it. Like that. After 24 hours, our adhesive is dry, and everything is fixed. Of course, we don't want to leave this, and we take out in a very easy way. The down part is getting stuck here, and the caps can be removed and can be used again. The capsule can be used again. We are going just to put the new spacers here. Very easy.